In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to sign up for Sheer.com. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Sheer.com, and then from here it should be looking something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the right hand corner and go over to create a free account, and then from here you'll be able to see you can register as a fan or register as a content creator. For this tutorial I'm just going to choose the content creator because this is probably the thing you want to do. From here you'll need to see the register as content creator. From here you'll need to enter in your email address and a password below and become part of the community. From here you'll simply need to click create account, or you can also log in using your Google ID. Now from here an email with a confirmation is required, so you can click here to send confirmation email, and then from here you'll just need to find the specific email that you have sent it to and then click verify. From here it should be looking something like this with email verified successfully. From here you'll simply need to click continue, and from here you'll simply need to sign in to your account. From here it should be looking something like this, where I can see the application center right here. From here you'll need to enter in your brand name or username for Sheer.com, then your personal information like full legal name, your birth month and birthday, and your country that you're currently living in. From here you'll need to add in your ID and age verification that you can upload right here, and you can add a present your content where you can put a little bit more about your content yourself, and down here lastly you can upload some content for review, so Sheer will review your content and decide whether or not they will let you into the platform. Once you have filled all of this in, you'll then get a place that you can click continue, and then from here Sheer will review your application. Now, whether or not you have been approved or disapproved, you'll get an email confirmation from Sheer.com about their conclusion. From here, you'll be sent a link where you can directly go inside of your dashboard. You can also use and log in from Sheer.com to your dashboard and then start uploading your content. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!